Kia ora guys, how's it going? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome to day 3 of our West Coast trip. As you can see, the weather's absolutely turned it on for the final day, so it's going to be wet, it's going to be miserable, but it's going to be great. So we have got quite a few trucks today. Obviously myself and Lando, we've got Shane in the Jeep who you saw in yesterday's video and the day before, same with Dad in the Disco. But we've also got some new friends. We've got one of the boys, a couple boys from NZ Zuks. We've got Jacob in that SJ, and then back there somewhere there's a Vitara, Hamish's Vitara, and then we've got James in a chopped, I don't know what it is, some Land Cruiser. So good lineup of trucks. We're going to go and hit a couple tracks, see what there is to see out the back of Reefton, and then pop back here, meet up with a couple of other friends, and yeah, go run some more tracks. So we'll get straight into some tracks, see what we can find, and yeah, go get stuck. Well, we've made it to the top of the track. It's now just a turnaround bay. Fun wee track, no challenge really at all, but other than the sloppy mud which I had to push through, but churned through that and we're all good. Anyway, probably won't film a heap on the way back just because it's all the same obstacles you've already seen, but we'll cruise back out to the car park, find the other guys we're waiting for, and then go hit some harder stuff. It's going to be good. Okay guys, well we've met up with the final truck for the day, Taylor, and this double cab chop Saf. So we're going to go head up, probably go hit Struggle Street first is the plan. Go have a nosy at that, obviously not going through the mud hole at the end because that's absolute horrible hole that you don't want to go through. But yeah, we'll go up to there and turn around and shoot back through.
Sweep on whether the we
not afraid of the scene.
Well, while the Saf's struggling to winch up the hill, while I was chucking Tim's winch rope away, copped a bee sting right in the eyelid, which hurts like the absolute devil. So it's probably a good one. So hopefully my eye doesn't swell up too bad, because I quite like being able to see.
Alright guys, well the Saf's out, a lot of winching and a lot of digging later. The track is clear. Shane and the Jeep decided to turn around and go grab some lunch, which is fair, so we've just got James and the cruiser left to come on up. We'll get them up and then we'll go finish the track and then have some lunch because I'm getting hungry.
I mean, I can understand why he gave it a bit of send, but he really didn't have to do it while I was standing here.
And there we have it, we are back home. What an awesome weekend, and what a great final day. A bit wet, but that didn't slow us down too much. Very enjoyable, and yeah, it was awesome to go wheeling with a slightly bigger group right at the end. Yeah, what a way to wrap up the weekend. Really pleased with how the truck went. Lando did very, very well, especially driving there and back, and yeah, made it home in one piece. New tyres, the traps, man, they were awesome, and the new suspension really did the trick as well. So yeah, that's it for this video. If you haven't seen the other 2 days of coast videos, make sure you go check those out. Make sure you give us a like if you enjoyed this video. It's much appreciated. It really, really helps out with the performance of these videos. hit subscribe if you're new here, and before we go, don't forget we are doing double uploads for all of January, so 2 videos a week, one on Monday and one on Thursday, 8 PM like usual. So look forward to that. We've got so much more coming, heaps of more wheeling in Lando, and then working on Hyundai. It's just gonna be great. Anyway, stay tuned for all that. We'll catch you all in the next one. Cheers for watching, guys. We'll see you then.
I mean, I can understand why he gave it a bit of send. But he really didn't have to do it while I was standing here.